How to fix blurred stories or posts on Instagram. Hello everyone! Are you experiencing issues with the quality of your photos or videos on Instagram? If your content looks great in your gallery but loses quality when posted on Instagram, we have a solution for you. The process I'll show you today will improve the quality of your photos and videos for posts, stories, and reels. Let's get started. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Stop scrolling when you find data usage and media quality. Tap on this option. As you can see, the Upload at Highest Quality option is turned off. Enabling this option will significantly improve the quality of your uploaded images and videos. If you have a slow internet connection, enabling this option might increase the time needed for uploading. And that's it! Now you can share your photos and videos with the highest quality. Subscribe to our channel if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to like it.